Today's video we will be running salutation. This will involve hands and legs. The left hand will be labeled as moon and right hand will be labeled as the sun. Two signs that we see every day in life, which is the moon and the sun. So this is a full salutation. You stand up straight and you take out your left leg and you pull arms up. You make X and you push your arms forward and you will separate your arms like eagle wing, and you will cross left legs and you will bring back arms forward and you will cross the fist and you will turn them upside. You will turn the fist up and then you will pull them back to you and watch the elbows and pull the fist up near the shoulders, and then from here you will push chest back and you will push your stomach back, and then you will make a step with left leg and then you will make a step with the right leg. Start with left leg and then right leg, and then here you will push arms back, but this time left hand is open and the right hand is crossed. You will pull them forward straight and the left hand it's labeled as the moon and right hand it's labeled as the sun. And then you will move the right leg back and you will cross the fist of the left hand and you pull them back side to your face, and then you step back with left leg and you pull elbow forward and then you push arms back. I will repeat it and without talking.